Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and to this our latest video for the Volvo XC90. This is the 2 litre D5 Momentum Geartronic. It's the all-wheel drive 7-seat model, 225 brake horsepower. The car was first registered 26th of June 2015. Just one former keeper from new. The car is finished in bright silver metallic with charcoal leather, benefiting from a full service history comprising 9 services. 5 were done by Volvo. The last service was completed on the 20th of July 2023, just over 74,000 miles. MOT is valid through until the 18th of July 2024 with no advisories. Next service isn't due for a further year or 18,000 miles. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine, so it's compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Good set of Pirelli tyres. Rears are on 7.2 and 5.6mm of tread, and the front tyres are on 3.7mm of tread. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 48.7. As with the exterior of this Volvo, likewise the interior is in very good condition for its age and mileage. The aforementioned charcoal leather interior, Isofix location points to both outer rear seats. The car does feature one of the 9 options is the interior sun blinds. It also has a winter pack, benefits from the family pack, optional heated front seats, privacy glass, and upgraded 19-inch turbine alloy wheels. Satellite navigation is standard, front and rear parking sensors, parking camera with park pilot facility, satellite navigation, automatic headlights with automatic high beam. Obviously all the windows are electric, as are the wing mirrors, which are folding and dimming also. The XC90 is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with both remote control keys. There's a full set of tailored carpet mats in the vehicle. Tonneau cover is present. Also the book pack, locking wheel bolt, space saver spare wheel, including all tools. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Or alternatively, do visit our website, which is berkshireUsedCars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding extended warranties, part exchange page, finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes, as well as reservation facility. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.